This is what I use at work, and this is always a good test for little machines. Let's be fair, this machine is only a domestic one. So let's get him down and see what happens. Right, we're going to whack him up. It's going to want to be at least 50. There we go. Now remember, I've got no splash guard on here. It's so we can actually film it better. $70 would be about right. I'm looking at when that gets nice and stiff, that's ready. It's a good idea to print off this type of stuff. So what it says here, general whisking, you can whisk up to 2 litres of mix. And what we got around there is 1 litre going. I think you'd be struggling to put 2 litres in there, to be honest. Let's see how the mix is getting on. But I won't bore you to death. We'll pause it now and I'll come back when it's ready. So there we go, it's almost ready. Sticking up nicely. Very much like my machine at work, but it's in the middle. And you'll find that with most machines, this is at the side and not actually in the middle, which isn't a bad thing. Whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, I can't say. I'm not really sure how it's going to work out with doing a cake in it, but you can see it's designed as a spiral mixer first time out. Now you can see what I mean about putting your hand in. So if you went in there, you'll take your hand off. Okay, so remember, keep your hands out of the mix at all times. Always use one of these, and then you can go down the side or whatever. Generally, keep everything out of the machine. It's much easier. And there we go. That's mixed. And that's my cream. Look, that is just nice. A nice consistency. As you can see, it whisks really well. That's a litre. So you can whisk up, you can go down a little bit lower than this. So you can do your buttercreams and all in this as well. Obviously not without the whisk. But you do have to make sure that attachment there is correct. All right, that is very important. And if you're liking this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget, if you want to buy me a coffee, there's a link up there. So the next video up, as you can guess, we're going to be doing Viennese biscuits just to show you what it's like